So it's 7:33 p.m. We just pulled up to our spot out in the middle of fucking nowhere, outside of Sedona, Arizona, and we're fucking starving. So we're gonna make some grub. So we've got some rice cooking. That'll get better as time goes on. We've got some veggies, maybe an egg or so. We got some real good tofu. Tonight we're doing some sort of weird like Asian fusion, living out in the woods deliciousness in a bowl. It's gonna be fucking good. I've got a little bit of green pepper, a little bit of cilantro. And suck. So there's that. And suck is actually probably cheaper. You just do whatever you want, you know. This, shout out to my mom. She makes this killer spice. Not really sure what's in it, but it makes your butthole hurt in a good way. And it's awesome. It's delicious. It's spicy. It's called Center Street Hell's Seasoning. Can you buy it? No. Is it good? Yes. You already know. Boom. That's all you need. Look at that. Fucking delicious. Alright, throw the egg on there. Pick it however you like. This is how we like it. Oh. Alright, so we've hit some peppers in here. They're pretty spicy.
We say pearl. What?